It's going to be the beats counting and the simple operation. How we going to be count the beats and we do the simple operations using the beats. Core idea of this chapter, we have just learned about the movement. How we going to do movements of beats means we have done the some operations. Towards bar value is counted. When we going to be beats are coming near to the answer bar, then the value is counted. If away from the bar, it's going to be the upside or downside, then the value is not counted. The value is 0. We just going to be learn the finger decide the accuracy how it is we are doing. We just using the right finger and using the both of the hand if we using the 2-digit number. Wrong movements, wrong maths, wrong calculations. So we just concentrate when we are going to be doing this. The center bar or the answer bar decided the value. If the answer bar has no base touching there, then the value is 0. Base touching to the bar is going to be counted, away is not counted. So I'm just going to be show, I'm going to be show how if the beats actually going to be touching to the answer bar. So how we going slowly and show you how actually beats are going and touching to the bar and then it's going to be counted, otherwise it's not going to be counted. Wait, I'm just going to be share you the abacus tool. Right now, look at here, no beats touching to the answer bar, then the value is 0. If the 1 beats touching to the answer bar, then the value is 1. If the upper bits come down and touching to the value, answer bar, the value is 5. Right now, we learn about the additional operations, how we do the some addition in there. Additions means when we're going to be assign the value, when we're going to be beats touching to the answer bar. Means we have to add something. Like if you have a 3 chocolate, I'm just giving you one more chocolate. It is going to be called a 1. We just look at here. We using 1 plus 1 plus 2. The value is 4. We using the addition there. 1 plus 1 plus 2. Then 4 minus 2 minus 1 plus 5. The value is 6. Then 5 plus 2 plus 1. 5 plus 2 plus 1. The answer is 8. Then 2 plus 5 plus 2. It is 9. 2 plus 5 plus 2. The answer is 9. In the same way, we just going touching to the answer bar and going to be add the values. We just know we have using the fingers to show the beats values. We learn about in a separate chapter about the finger value, how we going to be do the finger counting. Right now, we are going to be at 10 to 40 in our abacus tool as well as a hand. Look at here. It is 10. 2 beats in a 10 rod, 20. When we going to be 3 beats in a 10 rod, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. We using the 10 slot to add the value. How we going to show the 25, 25, 52, 22. In this way, we are going to be count the values. Right now, we learn about the how we doing the subtraction or the minus in our abacus tool. Minus means we are just going to be move away from the answer bar. It means no value. Always it's not going to be no value. It's assigned the no value. It's going to be move the beads there. In a single digit, first we're going to be learn about 3 minus 1 minus 2 answer. Answer 0. The next one 4 minus 2 plus 1. It is 1. Then the next one, and the last one of the single digit, 9 minus 6 minus 3. It is 0. In the same way, we are using like if the value is 80, we are going to minus 20, the value is 60. Whenever we are going to move away the beats in a tens dot, the value is answer is coming in that way. Like minus 10, 90 minus 10, 80, 80 minus 30, 50, 50 minus 50, answer is 0. We learn about how we're going to minus 50, some column values and structure for using the value. Each column is going to be increase the value by 10 times. Like we have going to be moved ones, tens, 100 to it is a z. We just going to be say the value like if it is a value it's 2. Then we come to the next side. It is 20 right now. The next value it's 1, 2 and the value is 200. Whenever we're going to move the left side, the value is going to be increases by tens. It is right now 2000. There we this is where we computational is start. We just going to remove the value and find it out the answer. In this way, we are using our abacus tool and find it out answer. Right now, I'm giving you the sums and you just going to be start doing it there. So I'm write it down the sums in our abacus tool page and show you how actually we are doing it. First, I'm write it down the sums 6 6 minus 1 plus 3 9 minus 4 minus 5 plus 6. We just going to be solve it. 6 minus 1 plus 3. The answer is 8. Then the next one 9 minus 4 minus 5 plus 6. Answer is 6. Thank you.